జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 301st నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం యుగాది కృతే నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that when one era completes, you are the one who plans the entire establishment for the next era. O Srimannarayana, when it is time to dissolve one era, you create the dissolution and you withdraw entire creation, and you keep all the entities within your stomach safely, and you planned for the next era establishment and again brings out the entire Srishti. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Yugadi Krute Namaha. ಓಂ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಕೃತೆ ನಮಃ. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sita Ramachandra Swami, both of them on that Chitrakutam, they were sitting at one place. Rama heard such a big sound because of Bharata and entire Sainyam coming towards that place. Because of that, all the animals started going here and there with so much of fear. At that time, after seeing all that, Ramachandra Swami asking Lakshmana, please look at that. What is that sound? Why that sound is coming? Whether anybody or any king is coming to hunt here for hunting, or any wild animals are chasing other animals. Come on, look at that and let me know. Like that, when Rama asked, Lakshmana got up into, he climbed a big tree. Salam Aruhya Pushpitam. He climbed up a tree and from there Purvam Disam Udaikshata. He has seen towards east side, but he did not see anything in east side. Then Lakshmana is now looking at Udangmukha Prekshamano. He is now looking at northern side. There Lakshmana noticed huge Sainyam, huge armies coming, all chariots, horses, elephants, so much big armies coming. From there itself, from the tree itself, Lakshmana is alerting Rama, saying that, "Oh Rama, there is some army coming towards this side." Agnim samsamayat. Immediately put off that fire. Because of that fire, there comes smoke. When there is a smoke, those enemies, definitely that army must be enemies. So those enemies can notice that we are here. So they can come and trace the place. That is why put off that fire immediately. Ho Rama, Sita cha bhajatam guham. Immediately send Sita into that den. Then Sajyam Kurushva cha pancha Sharamscha kavacham tadha. You get up and take all your dhanurbanas, all your weapons and get ready. Like this, Lakshmana is alerting Ramachandra Swami. Then Rama asks Lakshmana, who's that Sainyam? Who's that armies? Come on, let me know first. Then with so much of angry, Lakshmana is answering Rama, that army belongs to Bharata, Kaika's son Bharata, sinful lady Kaika's son Bharata. He is not satisfied with the kingdom that he got. He wanted to probably expand his kingdom more and more, and he wanted to kill us because at some point we may ask for kingdom. That is why he is coming to kill both of us. Oh Rama, now you have to get up. Let both of us stand on this Chitrakutam with all our weapons. Oh Rama, because of this Bharata, you, me and Sitamma, three of us going through so many troubles and pains. Now let us see this Bharata in battlefield. Ho Rama, ye nimittam bhavan rajyachyuto raghava sasvatat. Because of this Bharata, you were sent out from the kingdom, Rama. You were sent out from the kingdom for 14 years, Rama. That is why this Bharata must be killed. He deserves to be killed. Ho Rama, Bharatasya vadhe dosham naham pasyami Raghava. I don't see any sin in killing Bharata. Ho Rama, when after Bharata is killed, Anusadhi Vasundharam, you can rule the entire earth. Then after Bharata is killed, Ho Rama, Kaikeyincha vadhishyami sanubandham sabandhavam. Even I am going to kill Kaikeyi along with Mandhara and all those who were giving support to Kaikeyi. I am going to kill every one of them and make sure this earth is free from sinful people. Ho Rama, I have been suppressing my anger for so many days. Now this anger is going to be spilled out on Bharata. Like that, Lakshmana Swami showing all of his anger towards Bharata and saying Rama to get ready to fight with Bharata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. From today onwards, 33rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yugadikrit Yugavarto Naikamayo Mahasanaha Adrusyo Vyaktarupascha Sahasrajit Anantajit Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. ఓం యుగాదికృతే నమః. ఓం యుగాదికృతే నమః. ఓం యుగాదికృతే నమః.